Mathematics or computers, two-proving tools and technical. Necessary is the design to enhance the understanding of the functioning of a computer system. Mathematical logic includes the actual number of charge, notification to the system, plus the number of circles.
Chapter 1. Real number. The set of real number is union of the set of rational number and the set of irrational numbers are each used to denote the set of real numbers, which can be divided into several of the different sets of numbers. Rational numbers can be written as a fraction in the form of where a and b integers be non-zero. Rational numbers can be divided into two classes of integers and fractions. Moreover, repeating decimal numbers are rational numbers. Positive integers can be called counting numbers. If n denotes the set of counting numbers, then n are the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which can be written as n equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is 0. Negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4. Integer numbers are composed of positive integers. Numbers 0 negative integer numbers. If 1 denotes the set of integer numbers, then 1 equal -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fractions are the 1 powering is 2, 2 powering is 3, -4 powering is 5. The 1 powering is 2 among 2 are the repeating numbers. 0 4 is 1, 1, 1 equal 0 4 is 1 equal the 1 powering is 9. 0 4 is 2, 5, 2, 5 equal 0 4 is 2, 5 equal 2, 5 powering is 9, 9.
Chapter 2. Sets. A set is a collection of objects or things which are clearly defined. The objects in a set are called elements of the set. The set can be with or without the elements. The capital letters A, B, C are commonly used to denote the set. The small letter numbers or the letter are commonly used to denote the element in the set.
The example of the set. 1. The set of the colors of the form. 2. The set of the positive integer numbers with less than 10. 3. the sense of the vowel of the word. Therefore, set 1 has elements which are less, white and blue. Set 2 has 9 elements which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Set 3 has no element. Chapter 3. Logical Implication. The principle of logical implication is related to our everyday life. The acceptable effects of the conclusion is resulted from the case which is the important factor. This is the conclusion of the reason in mathematical way. The reason of finding the conclusion is obtained from the testing hypothesis by proving that the hypothesis is true, and this will make the true conclusion. Its main principle of logic composed of two parts. Of the logical implication there are hypothesis and conclusion, of commonly used in the form of if and then. The two values of compound conditional statement. Definition. If P and Q are any statement, the conditional statement is P, then Q, R, P, Q. The two values are for when P is true and Q is false in any case. The two value is always true if the statement using its form of P. Table of the two value of compound conditional statement. P, Q. If P then Q. If 2 then 2 equal 2. If 2 then 4 equal 4. If 4 then 2 equal 2. If 4 then 4 equal 2. Chapter 4. Number system and sequence. For addition, the number system that we are familiar with since we were born is the decimal number system. When we begin to talk, we automatically count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. When we start learning in primary school, our first number system is decimal number system. Decimal notation already knew that the digits as space refer to a different unit. We call such a system positional numeration. For example, 5049 can read as 5049. There are 5 of that unit, 1000, 0 of that unit, hundreds, 4 of that unit, tens, and 9 of that unit, 1. We can write the number in the form of multiplying by 10. Therefore, 5049. 5 multiplied cast 1, 0, 0 cast. Positive 0 multiplied cast 100 cast. Positive 4 multiplied cast 10 cast. Positive 9 multiplied cast 1 cast, or in the form of power of 10. 5 cast 5 multiplied 10 to the power of 3. Cast positive cast 0 multiplied 10 to the power of 2. Cast positive cast 4 multiplied 10 to the power of 1. Cast positive cast 9 multiplied 10 to the power of 0. Cast. Show the conversion of binary to decimal numbers. Power of 2, 2 to the power of 5 equal 32. Binary base 1, one base 32. Power of 2, 2 to the power of 4 equal 16. Binary base 1, decimal base 16. Power of 2, 2 to the power of t equal 8. Binary base 0, decimal base 0. Power of 2, 2 to the power of 2 equal 4. Binary base 1. Decimal base 4. Power of 2, 2 to the power of 1 equal 2. Binary base 0. Decimal base 0. Power of 2, 2 to the power of 0 equal 1. Binary base 1. Decimal base 1. Chapter 5. Counting. Counting may be easy thing to do each common as we start counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which we are familiar with since we begin to talk. However, to counting is magic. It's not easy. For example, if we have an appointment to meet after 8 days, as people may interpret the meaning of the appointment in different ways. If we have this appointment with the European who doesn't use English, it means that the meeting day will be on next week. For example, if the appointment is Sunday, then the appointment day is on the next Sunday. If the country using English, do you have appointment to meet after in 7 days? It means they will use the next week. Therefore, the difference of these two groups are the European will count the first day, that you prepare the appointment, while the country using English will count 24 hours for 1 day, as you can see at the table below.